What is a debugger tool?
A debugger is a program that helps you find and fix errors in your code. Instead of guessing where problems are, a debugger lets you pause your program, inspect values, and watch how your code behaves step by step. This makes it much easier to identify bugs and understand how your program works behind the scenes.
Why use a debugger?
Using a debugger saves time and frustration when troubleshooting your code. Unlike adding print statements everywhere, the debugger allows you to focus precisely on the problem area. You can view the state of variables, follow the path your code takes, and understand hidden issues that might not show up through basic testing.
Getting started, setting up the debugger.
To begin, install a debugger that's compatible with your programming language and development environment. Many code editors, such as Visual Studio Code or PyCharm, have built-in debugger support. Look for the debug option or icon in your editor and ensure your project or script is loaded so you can start a debugging session easily.
Breaking down the basics, breakpoints and stepping.
Breakpoints are markers you set in your code to pause execution at specific lines. When your program reaches a breakpoint, it stops, letting you inspect variables and state. You can then use step over, step into, or continue commands to move through your code line by line, observing how values change as your program runs.
Inspecting variables and fixing bugs.
Once paused, the debugger lets you examine variable values, change them, and check program flow. Look for variables with unexpected values or logic errors at each breakpoint. As you analyze and correct mistakes, rerun the debugger to confirm your fix works, helping you build confidence in your code's reliability.
Tips for beginners.
Start simple. Focus on small sections of code first. Practice setting breakpoints and using step commands. Don't be afraid to explore features like watch expressions or call stacks. The more you use a debugger, the faster you'll become at solving coding issues and learning how your programs truly work.